Good morning, children. How are you all? All are good? Okay. This is your EVS class. And today I'm here with a new topic. But before that, let's do some exercise. Okay. All of you, please stand up. Okay. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Raise your hands. Hands down. Okay. Are you all ready? Okay, let's start. Yesterday we had learned about our body parts. Yes or no? Yes. है ना? Now, tell me, what should we eat to remain healthy and strong? Yes. To remain healthy and strong, we should eat fruits and vegetables. Okay? And from where do we get fruits and vegetables? Yes, we get fruits and vegetables from plants. Okay, plants give us fruits and vegetables. Okay, so today we are going to learn about plants. Our topic is plants. We see many plants, different types of plants around us. Some plants are big, like neem tree, apple tree, mango tree. These are big plants. Okay. And some are small plants, like rose plant, tulsi, mint, and grasses. Okay. These are some examples of small plants. Okay. And they are living things. Okay. And they need air, water, and sunlight to grow. Okay. They are living things and they grow like us. Okay. Now, children, tell me, from where plants grow? Yes. Most of the plants grows from seeds. Okay. Now tell me, what is this? Yes, this is a seed. Okay, most of the plants grow from seeds. And can you tell me how plants grow from seeds? Do you know? No? Okay, I will tell you. When we sow these seeds in the soil, okay, जब हम इन सीड्स को मिट्टी में बोते हैं, then what happened? This is a seed, and when we sow this seed in the soil, what is this? This is a soil, okay, and give it proper amount of air. Air मतलब हवा, water, water मतलब पानी, and sunlight. What is the spelling of sunlight? S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T, sunlight. Okay. So when we sow the seed and give it proper amount of air, water, and sunlight, then what happens, children? It grows into a new plant. Okay. It grows into a new plant. So like this, plant grows from the seed. Okay, let's revise it once again. When we sow the seed in the soil and give it proper amount of air, water, and sunlight, it grows into a new plant. Okay, now tell me what is inside the seed? Yes, a baby plant is inside a seed. Okay, now just like us, plants also have different types, different parts to do different functions. Okay, now we will learn about those different parts of a plant. Okay, so first part is root. All of you please read with me. R-O-O-T, root. These are the roots of the plant. Now, next is stem. S-T-E-M, stem. S-T-E-M, stem. This is the stem of the plant. Next is leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. These are the leaves of the plant. Next is flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Okay. And what is this? Fruit. This is a fruit. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Okay. So these are the different parts of a plant. Now we will learn about them one by one. Okay. Now first part is root. R-O-O-T, root. Children, these are the roots of the plant. Okay. Have you ever seen this root? Have you ever seen the root? Yes or no? No, we can't see. Why? Because it is the underground part of the plant. Okay. It is the underground part of the plant. So we can't see the root. Okay. So first point is it is the underground part of the plant. So now tell me what is its function? It is underground, so it fixes the plant in the soil, so it doesn't fall. Okay, जो प्लांट की जो रूट्स हैं वो प्लांट को सॉइल में फिक्स करके रखती हैं, तो क्या होगा, वो गिरेगा नहीं, है ना। तो व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ रूट? It fixes the plant in the soil. Fixes the plant. Where? In the soil. Okay. So it doesn't fall. Now next function is when you watering the plant, that time what happened, that water is absorbed by the roots. Okay. So its next function is it takes water and mineral from the soil. Okay. So it takes water and minerals. ओके, सॉइल में जो भी पानी प्रेजेंट है, वाटर प्रेजेंट है, जो भी मिनरल्स पौधों को चाहिए, वो सब कौन एब्जॉर्ब करता है, कौन लेता है? रूट्स लेते हैं. ओके, सो दीज आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ रूट. नाउ वी विल लर्न अबाउट स्टेम. second part is stem. What is the spelling of stem? S-T-E-M, stem. Okay. Now, tell me, can you see the stem? Yes or no? Yes, we can see because it is above the ground. है ना, ये ground के ऊपर होता है. आप लोग इस picture में भी देख सकते हैं. You can see in this picture, it is above the ground. Okay, so it is the part of a plant which is above the ground. Okay, ground के ऊपर होता है. So its first, what is this stem is above the ground. Okay. Now tell me, what is its function? It carries water. First function is it supports the plant. Okay, it helps the plant to stand upright. Which body part help us to stand? Yes, legs and feet help us to stand straight. Like that, stem help us, the plant to stem helps the plant to stand upright. Okay, plant को सीधा खड़ा करने के लिए कौन help करता है? Stem. So its first function is it helps to stand upright. Okay, so it is the part which is above the ground and it helps the plant to stand upright. Now its second function is it carries water and food to all parts of the plant. Okay, जो भी water roots के द्वारा एब्जॉर्ब किया गया है, जो भी फूड लीव्स ने बनाया है, उन दोनों को प्लांट पार्ट के, है ना, सभी प्लांट पार्ट तक कौन लेके जाता है? स्टेम. सो इट कैरीज फूड एंड वाटर टू ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट. ओके, सो इट कैरीज food and water to all parts of the plant and it is the strongest part of the plant. Okay, so its second function is it carries food and water. Okay, so which part carries food and water to all parts of the plant? Yes, it is stem. Okay, सबको समझ में आ गया? If yes, then raise your hands. Okay, put your hands down. Now next part is leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. Now can you see this? Yes, leaves are different in shapes and size. Can you see this? Some plant has different shapes. Some plant has small leaf. Some plant has big leaves. Okay, like banana, you can see it has big leaf. So, and what is the color of leaf? Yes, it is mostly green in color. Okay, so it is different. It is green in color. And what is its function? It makes food for the plant. है ना। हमारे लिए खाना कौन बनाता है, हमारी मम्मी बनाती है। और ऐसे ही प्लांट के लिए फूड कौन बनाता है, leaves. Okay, leaves make food for the plant with the help of sunlight and water. Okay, leaves make food for the plant. So its function is it makes food for the plant. Okay, now tell me, which part makes food for the plant? Yes, it is its leaves. Okay, these leaves make food for the plants. Now next part is flower. Flower, flower. As you can see in this picture, flower is the beautiful part of the plant. Okay, and it is different in its color, its shape, and its size. Okay, you can see what is the color of this flower. Yes, it is white. And what is the color of this flower? It is yellow. So flowers are different in colors, size, and shapes. Okay, some flowers are big, some flowers are small. Okay, children. And what is their function? Some you can see in this flower. Yes, this flower produces seeds. Okay, and this flower change into fruit. So its function is it produces seeds and fruits. Okay, so its function is it is the beautiful part of the plant. And its function is it produces seeds and fruits. Okay, flower changes into fruit. ठीक है, किसी किसी पौधे में फ्लावर्स से सीड्स मिलते हैं और किसी में क्या होता है, वो फ्लावर्स फ्रूट्स में चेंज हो जाते हैं. सो दिस इज द फंक्शन ऑफ फ्लावर. नाउ नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज fruit. Children, do you like to eat fruit? Yes. Which fruit do you like to eat? Yes, some like mango, some like apples. Okay, so fruits are very tasty and good for our health. Okay, now tell me, what is the function of this fruit? Yes, fruits have seeds inside them. Some fruits have one seed, like mango and peach. These fruits have only one seed inside them. Okay, and some fruits like watermelon and apple have more than one seeds. Okay, many seeds are there. And in pineapple, how many seeds are there? No. Okay, pineapple has no seeds. Okay, so what is inside the fruit? Yes, seeds. Okay, fruits have seeds inside them. So what is the function of fruit? It protects that seeds. Okay, so fruit protects the seeds. ओके, ठीक है बच्चों। फ्रूट क्या करता है, अपने अंदर सीड्स को प्रोटेक्ट करके रखता है, सुरक्षित रखता है, ठीक है। सो दीज आर द पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट। ओके, नाउ वी विल डू कॉपी वर्क। ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज टेक आउट योर कॉपी। And first on the new page, first write today's date, that is 9th of April 2021, and write CW. In first line write CW and then topic's name, that is plants. Okay, and from next line write question number 1, and question is, name the five parts of a plant. Okay, we have to write their names. So first part is, answer is, first one is root, R-O-O-T, root. Second part is stem, S-T-E-M, stem. Third part is leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. And fourth part is flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Fifth part is fruit, F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Okay? Yes, children, all of you write with me and do neat and clean work. Are you all writing with me? Yes? Okay. First part is root, R-O-O-T, root. Second one is stem, S-T-E-M, stem. Third one is leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. And fourth one is flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. And fifth one is fruit, F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Okay, children. Root fixes the plant. Stem supports the plant. Okay, helps the plant to stand straight. Leaves make food for the plant, and flower produces fruits and seeds, and fruits protects the seed. Okay. Okay, now we will do our next question. Question number 2. All are writing with me? Yes or no? Or are you playing? Yes, I can see some children are playing. Yes, all of you, please write with me. Sit properly and write. Question number 2. Question number 2 is, what are the four things a plant needs to grow? And the answer is first one is air. Second is water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Third thing is sunlight. S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T, sunlight. And fourth thing is soil. S-O-I-L, soil. Okay. These are the four things a plant needs to grow. Okay. What are they? They are A-I-R, air. W-A-T-E-R, water. S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T, sunlight. And S-O-I-L, soil. Okay. Do neat and clean work.
Hello, students. You all must be wondering that why some other teacher has come in between. It is so because I'm going to share a very important information with you all. Now, listen very, very carefully. Today, your worksheets will be uploaded. All right. And it is going to be in two subjects. Number one is English, and the other worksheet is of maths. Now, what you have to do is it will be uploaded in the form of PDF. Now, what is PDF? You don't give it a thought. What you have to do is take a pin page, the way it is given on the website, no, on school website. From there, you have to see that how it is given. Exactly in the same day, you will take out a pen page for English worksheet and a pen page for maths worksheet. Then in English worksheet, you will write everything on your own with your pencil. Your parents will not write anything on that worksheet. Understand? It is you who is going to write your name, class, section, all the question and even answers. Take your time, do it very beautifully because marks will be given for these worksheets. So write the answers carefully without any mistakes. Be very careful. All right. And all the other information will be there on the website. So your worksheet will be uploaded for 2 subjects today. That is your worksheet number 1 of English and maths. Okay. Apart from this, one more important thing is that many among you are not writing your names properly. Some of you are writing wrong sections. If you are asked to come into 1E, this, uh, sorry, password, what is it? If you are entering through 1E computer, you don't have to write your section 1E. If you are a 1C, you will write 1C only. Some of you are writing 1E, though you are studying in 1C section or 1A or 1B. Please write your sections properly. Your father's name is there and yours name is there. We don't want that. We just want your name, your section, your class, and your surname. Some of you are not writing surname. Your name is there, father's name is there. Please don't do that. It is very, very important for your attendance. All right. Your participant's name you have to change. That we are requesting you again and again. Okay. So that's it for the day. I hope all the informations are very clear to you all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, children, write these questions in your copy and learn them. Okay, and draw this picture in your, draw this diagram in your copy. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.